India UK discuss technical infrastructure cooperation ahead of the climate summit. India and the UK on 22nd October discussed technical and infrastructure cooperation to help India grow in a clean and sustainable way. In the discussions, India is said to have hinted it will make as an ambitious contribution at the upcoming UN climate summit in Glasgow. According to an External Affairs Ministry statement, talks between British Foreign Secretary Liz Truss and India's External Affairs Minister Subramaniam Jaishankar focused on enhancing cooperation in trade and investments, healthcare, climate change, science and innovation, and defense and security. They agreed to strengthen cooperation in West Asia and the Indo Pacific on countering terrorism and radical extremism and addressing emerging challenges in the cybercrime and space domains. The two ministers also reviewed a desire for unhindered access for humanitarian assistance to Afghanistan and that the Afghan territory not to be used to threaten or attack any country or to shelter or train terrorists or to plan or to finance terrorist attacks. A statement issued by the British High Commission in New Delhi ahead of the talks said Truss would highlight the importance of making concrete progress on climate change. Truss said that they would like to step up the partnership in critical areas like technology, investment, security, and defense, as India is the world's largest democracy, a tech and economic powerhouse, and a vital strategic partner for the UK. The British statement also hinted at a $15.86 million British investment in two venture capital funds aimed at supporting India's transition to cleaner energy, making use of the British expertise.